At the moment we will cutting. Today we will make coconut tree with cotton. Things we require: brush, plate, old, pockets, letters, water and glue things.
Okay.
Friends, let's start.
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Friends, my coconut tree is ready.
Yes. Chalo.
School one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play.
Friends, my coconut is ready. Coconut gives us coconut water and coconut
Fruit. Very good. Rajvi, coconut is healthy for us or unhealthy?
healthy.
It's healthy.
Yes.
Okay, you want to say something to your friends?
Friends, bye. Enjoy at home and make this.
Make this at home. Okay.
Be